Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Electrum for secure Bitcoin transactions, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Electrum for secure Bitcoin transactions, begin by downloading the Electrum wallet from the official website. Ensure you choose the correct version compatible with your operating system. After downloading, install the wallet by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch the Electrum application. The first screen you will see is the wallet creation wizard. Select Create New Wallet to start a new setup. On the next screen, choose the wallet type as Standard Wallet. Proceed by clicking Next. You will then be prompted to ensure you write down the seed phrase carefully and store it securely. This seed phrase is crucial for wallet recovery. Once you have noted the seed phrase, confirm it by entering it in the provided field. Next, set a strong password for your wallet. This password will help secure your wallet further. You will now reach the main wallet interface. To enhance security, go to the Settings tab in the toolbar. Select Preferences to adjust your security settings. Enable two-factor authentication if you wish to add an extra layer of security. Consider using a hardware wallet for transactions where maximum security is desired. To synchronize your wallet with the Bitcoin network, go to the top left and click on Network. Ensure you are connected to a server for real-time updates. You may want to consider using a custom server for added privacy. To do this, select the Server tab, then input a reputable server address. Now, navigate to the Wallet menu. Here, you will find options to manage your Bitcoin transactions securely. To send Bitcoin, select Send from the main interface. Input the recipient's Bitcoin address and the amount you wish to send. Always double-check the recipient's address before completing the transaction. To receive Bitcoin, click on the Receive tab. This will display your Bitcoin address, which you can share with the sender. For added privacy, consider creating new addresses for each transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.